Follow along with me as I make a set of custom Hardworking Man cornhole boards. I'm going to be using our X-Tool 40-watt S1 laser engraver. It has the ability to open up the front and the rear in order to slide through some larger materials. We're using a 2x4 foot 3/8 inch birch plywood board to make our cornhole boards today. So we have a spot marked where we want our hole to be, and the laser is going to line up. We're going to put our crosshairs right on there so we know exactly where to start for our 6-inch circle that we're going to have it cut out. So this X-Tool has to first measure the height of the material that it's going to be doing so it knows the distance, so it will be able to cut it out perfect and have minimal burning around the edges. So you simply close the lid when you're ready to do it, press the start button on the front, and it gets to work. This is such a all-in-one tool. You can cut out materials, you can engrave materials, so we don't have to have a bunch of different tools lying around to get this one project completed. It will do everything we need to do to get these perfect custom cornhole boards exactly how we need them. And here you can see it working its magic. So after it's all cut out, then you open the lid up, and I'm going to take this circle out, but first I want to move that laser head out of the way so I don't damage it. Here we just slide that material forward after we pop that circle out. You can see there's a little bit of that overshadowing of the burning, but that's okay. We'll take care of that later. So here you can really see the ability to slide that material through. So now on to the Hardworking Man design. Now the X-Tool has their own design software that you just download onto your laptop or your computer. It is very user-friendly. You pick the material you're going to use, the speed, the power, and most of those parameters are set. Once you have it all ready, you just click to start it, and then it tells you on that bottom left corner how long the project's going to take, and you hit the start button. Sends that file for processing, and then you'd hit that start button on the front of the machine just like we did to cut out that circle. So here it's going to get started. We sped up the process for you. 45 minutes is too long to watch an engraving session, but here it is. So after we get done with this, I just have a little sander here just to clean up the edges a little bit, and just to go run it over the whole thing to prepare this piece of wood for the polyurethane coating that you need to make your cornhole boards playable. Just kind of work over it a little bit. I mean, these are really high quality premium birch boards, so they just need very minimal sanding. So now here I have a cool little handheld blower that Heath bought. He loves to use this thing for any and every instance you could possibly need to blow something off. It's called a high drain. We'll put a link. He likes to use it to blow grass off from the lawnmowers, and it's just a great tool. So thanks for following along with us. Hope we inspired you, and have a good day, everyone.